This is the best LSE525 RC drone quadcopter which is released very recently into the market. This is a portable and foldable design RC quadcopter with cool lights and 4K camera, which is also have bottom 4K camera. Wow, it's amazing. This E525 drone is with video stabilization system, and this is the product diameter. This is the folding design RC quadcopter E525 frequency operation. Long press this button to turn on the drone, turn on the power. Throttle up, throttle down, calibration done, and this is the transmitter manual use. This E525 drone is with 1 key takeoff system, and the flight stability of this drone is really amazing. It hovers very nicely. Wow. And you can do 360 roll flip with this drone. Press this button and right flip. Wow. And this drone is also with headless mode system. Press this button and your drone is now in headless mode. Wow, it's hovering very nice. Dual cameras are 4K cameras, front and bottom cameras, and 4K real image transmission. Dual camera switching, you can switch camera like this. Wow. The flight performance of this drone is really flexible flight. You can fly it through palm trees and one click return back to home. This is the best and amazing drone for beginners, also for expert pilots. This is the E525 drone. It's really amazing and low budget drone. You can buy it from Alibaba or AliExpress.com. You can also visit the Amazon.com for buying this LSE525 RC drone. So guys, I hope you like this video. See you in next video.